Greetings of good health. Praise God. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome to this new class entitled AI Literacy for Beginners with your teacher, Musimianta Allen, through the mighty platform called Allen VA 2030. That empowers communities through AI. Before we start, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a short dive through the aims of the platform, or basically what we do. Yes, LNVA 2030 is a platform. It aims at empowering communities through AI, and the founder has gone through this journey, and I hope this will encourage you. And this platform has been created with a vision to become a trusted community AI learning initiative, basically that equips people with the knowledge and confidence to thrive in an AI-driven world, supporting innovation, productivity, and sustainable development. Basically, we aim at building an AI literate community, inspire innovation and lifelong learning, bridge the digital skills gap, prepare people for the future of work, and create opportunities through AI education. This basically has been facilitated with our mission to empower beginners with practical artificial intelligence knowledge and digital skills through accessible, engaging, and community-focused training, enabling them to learn, work, innovate, and contribute positively to the society. Basically, we empower beginners through AI education, like what we are going to do now. Then, besides that, we make AI learning simple and accessible to everyone, to every community, to every individual, based on your level of accessibility. Then promote ethical and responsible use of AI, develop practical skills for work and lifelong learning. We create positive impact in communities, and this is our mission. Yes, so all our vision and missions have been aligned with the fact that we have been inspired by the okay. If we look at who we are, but I told you we empower communities through AI, and we have been inspired by the UAE's vision and national AI initiatives, and my participation, I myself, in the 1 Million Prompters program. This course aims to introduce communities with practical AI skills for learning, work, community development, and the rest. What do we do, or who we are? Like I told you before, ladies and gentlemen, we are a community AI training initiative, and our course will be basically for our beginner friendly course. So don't feel any worry. Don't think things are too much. Don't worry of your time. Basically, the course, the AI basic training program will take only 4 hours as per our budget. Now, we have been inspired by the Dubai AI initiatives and practical and hands-on learning, and basically each individual who will go with us through this course up to completion will be awarded a certificate. So immediately, ladies and gentlemen, I will take you to through what we are going to do in this lesson. Like I told you, our course is meant for 4 hours, and this is all the activities that we are going to perform today. We are going to dive into lesson 1 called the introduction to AI, and we will basically explore what is AI, the examples of AI in daily life, then benefits and limitations. We're supposed to use AI responsibly. Then later, we shall just close this with a simple activity. Uh, we can take a look through the future of work. Yeah, the future of work in the AI era. How do you think work will be in 4 or 5 years to come? Imagine it by uh, after 4 years. Yes. So this is what basically we are going to explore today, and we are imagining that the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So it's our turn. Uh, I'm very glad that we have known it earlier, and now we are in preparing for the future. Anyway, we can start immediately our lesson 1. We imagine that under this lesson called Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, we shall basically cover these learning outcomes. We shall define artificial intelligence, we shall recognize AI in our daily life. Then, what are we going to do? We Before the end of this lesson, we must have understood AI benefits and limitations. Then we must wonder whether we are supposed to use AI responsibly. Ladies and gentlemen, we have started. Yes. What is AI? What is AI? Basically, we can define AI through our daily lives. Yes. Somebody will imagine these images that I'm going to uh, share around here. Okay. Okay. As I'm okay, look at this image. Can I zoom it very well? What can you see here? Okay. Yeah, I want my camera. You have seen a picture basically of a map. Yes, this is a GPS map, and I can look at this the same thing but different dimension, right? Okay, then ladies and gentlemen, imagine all this. Yeah, you can see if I can try to zoom in. Yeah, those are film and movie recommendations, right? Okay, then to mention but a few, each of us basically I can rate. Yeah, I can determine that at least 10%, uh, no, 99%, we have used this thing. Yes, this is called AI assistant. AI assistant, yes. Then in addition, we have sent messages, we have shared chats, we have, yeah. So all these, ladies and gentlemen, are examples of AI. Now, uh, just I wanted you to imagine that we have been using AI actually without recognizing it. Yes, navigation apps, video recommendations on Netflix, yeah, the virtual assistants, all these use AI. Yes, all these use AI. Now, what is in real term, in short term, what is AI? Okay, basically AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it refers to a computer system. Yes, that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. We have seen the tasks already. up there. Yes. So the AI or artificial intelligence is able to understand languages, recognize images, and solve problems. Mind you that AI basically can learn. Did you imagine that? Yes, AI can learn, and besides learning, AI can adapt. Yeah, can adapt. It can change its response based on the information provided and based on what is the topic. Yes, so AI is able to recognize data, analyze it, adapt to it, then learn from it. It can correct its mistakes. That is AI. So it learns from data and patterns, and be aware that somebody now has a question. Yes, Ario Knight. Ario, you are here. Yeah, I believe you have a question while asking. Now, if AI can recommend for me a movie, it can show me, it can actually talk with me when I'm bored. Then, what will humans be doing soon? Won't AI replace human intelligence? The answer is negative. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the answer to this question is negative. AI will never at any time replace human intelligence, but instead it will help human in concerns of productivity. Yes. So we have already explored some examples of AI around us. Yes, as are listed here, we have used ChatGPT. Yeah, who doesn't have ChatGPT in your phone? We all have it. Okay. YouTube recommendations, we have seen Netflix um, recommending for us movies and, you know, personalizing information for us. We have voice assistants. We have gone ahead to develop online shoppings and banking, healthcare, education, whatever, right? So all this, ladies and gentlemen, is AI. Yes, unless somebody has a question, before we before we before we move on, okay? I'm waiting for a question, a supplement, a compliment, yeah, whatsoever, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, okay. So we have some good minutes. How does AI work? Yes, how does AI work? Anyway, uh, does AI have its special way that it works? Yes, AI works in a way that it follows this simple process. It collects data, it learns patterns, it makes predictions, and then it later uh, proves with feedback. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, when you will try to use AI, you will actually imagine that whenever it tells you, you ask a question, let's say you ask ChatGPT a question, yeah, it will answer your question, and then it will request you for a feedback and it will give you suggestions. Yes, this is basically how it works. And meanwhile, as AI works this way, following that information provided, it has some common limitations. Yes, the limitations of AI, um, we need to know, although AI is powerful, it can sometimes provide incorrect information. Yeah, important information should always be verified. Yes, important information should always be verified when using AI. In other words, we should not use AI irresponsibly because it has a lot of limitations. Mark this, I did not say that AI doesn't give right answers, but at times it can make mistakes. Yes, AI can give, it depends on quality of data, then it may produce bias. Yeah, it may produce bias, and it can even replace, it can misunderstand questions, so it requires human verification. Yes. Now, is AI beneficial? If I leave this, we have seen the limitations of AI, but do we actually benefit anything from AI? The answer is yes. Yes, AI is beneficial to us. That's why we have gone ahead to explore details about AI. It's because it is very important to us, more so in the current and the upcoming generations. One of the benefits of AI is that it can save time. Yes, AI saves time. It improves learning and increase productivity. Yeah, we have already known that it helps to solve problems. Yes, and now AI can save time, improve learning, and help us work more efficiently. And it can assist students, teachers, professionals, and businesses, whether literate or illiterate, provided you know how to insert a correct prompt in AI, then it is very beneficial to you. Yes, please. Okay. Should we use AI responsibly? Yes. Yes. When we are using AI, we have already seen the limitations that it can make mistakes, it can get bias. Yes. So we need to verify information before considering it. Yes. When we are using AI, we must protect privacy. Ladies and gentlemen, don't get your personal information and insert into AI just carelessly. You must be extra careful because AI, like we said before, it's a computer software, so information can leak. Yes. I'm not saying AI can be scam, but people can use AI to do things that are not recommended anyway. So we need to protect our privacy, respect the copyright, yes, and you think critically when you are using artificial intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, have we learned something good today? Yes. Yes. Let's think, let's discuss, let's share. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, how can AI help you at home? Okay, how can AI help you at work? Yes. Can AI help you in your studies? How about the entire community of ours? Yes. How does AI help you? Yes, we have seen uh, the entire communities that the prior examples showing that AI can help us minimize stress. Imagine you are lonely. Yes, you just get a funny question and ask ChatGPT. You have a joke. You are happy. You smile, and the day is made for you. Yes. What about it in studies anyway? Yeah, you have a homework, you have a question, you don't have enough time to complete it, but you have somebody called AI who can just in seconds generate an answer. to you, download the answer, insert it on the platform that is where it is required, and score your good marks and grades. Yes. How about at work? Does AI actually help us? This is where actually AI is applies. Yes, and in the upcoming generations, you don't have knowledge about AI, work is going to be difficult for you. Yes, we have gotten a chance that we have been informed earlier. Yeah, that's why we are already here to, yes. And then at home, we have seen kitchen. Yeah, we have used AI in cooking, preparing meals, serving, cleaning. Yes, so AI basically helps us widely in the entire community service. Now, unless somebody has a question before we come to an end. Okay. Yes, what have we learned today? Yes, we have just 4 minutes to end this. Yes, what did we learn today? What did we learn today? Okay, basically, we learned what AI is. We said it is a computer software or a computer system that is able to reason like human can, and basically we imagine that this AI can learn, adapt uh, based on the data provided. Yes, we looked at where AI is used in our daily life. We imagined using Google Maps, having Netflix and YouTube recommendations, um, learning, healthcare, education, voice changing. Yes, and whatsoever. Yes, we came to the part that we had to understand the benefits of AI. We imagine that AI should support uh, your thinking, not replace it. Never share basically. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we looked at the AI helping us at work, helping us at school, helping us in home, helping us actually in many things, many things. Now, we looked at limitations and the responsible use of AI. We said AI can make mistakes, so to use it responsibly, we should never share passwords or any sensitive personal information with any AI tool. Even though you trust it 100%, keep this information with you. Yes. Unless somebody has a question, we have a short time, okay? We have a short quiz. You can type these answers in here. What does AI stand for? We imagine that AI means artificial intelligence, and we are asked to mention two examples of AI. Basically, we have ChatGPT. Yes. We have Google Gemini. We have Copilot in Microsoft. Yes. And we need to state one benefit of AI and one limitation of AI. Then lastly, how can you use AI responsibly? Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of this lesson, uh, I, I, like I told you in the start, we are on the platform called RNVA 2030, empowering communities through AI. You may need to contact us. Uh, this is the contact details as per now. And then basically, I thank you for today's lesson, and soon after now, I will just share a link for the end of the quiz trial test. Yes, like I told you from the start, that we shall certificates will be generated to those individuals who will basically have moved on with us until final completion. Uh, the quiz is on Google Forms, 10 multiple questions. The pass mark is 70. Yes, just such a small pass mark, yeah, has been granted for you. Take care. I congratulate you for completing today's lesson with me, Teacher Allen, and I hope via your emails you will get a link to the quiz. Try it in your free time. I will check your scores and I will take records of them. So, as we prepare for lesson 2, the next time that will be reported, and the class date for the next lesson will be announced to you soon through our platforms and basically emails. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen who are here, I thank you for joining us and being with us throughout the lesson. And inshallah, I hope next time we be as many as the world is. Yes. So don't mind inviting your friend if you have benefited from today's lesson anyway, or if you hope to benefit through this. Remember our mission to empower communities through AI. So don't leave your friend, and let that friend don't leave a friend. Next lesson, we shall be exploring about ChatGPT. Yes, so we'll look at details about ChatGPT, and we will actually emphasize how to generate a clear prompt and how to use responses generated by ChatGPT. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye.